To enable Google Assistant on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is just press and hold this circle right here, and after you do this, you will be using this Google Assistant right here. Eventually you can also go for the application assistant. Let me actually delete one of them because there are two assistants, so you can simply use the assistant application. As you press on this, you will be able to use the assistant, and additionally you can also go for the settings, scroll all the way down, go into the system, go for the gestures, and right here there is this option to press and hold power button and to select the digital assistant right here. So as you press and hold the power button, you will be able to use the digital assistant right here. So these are the couple of ways to actually use the Google Assistant, and there's actually no need to enable the Google Assistant since it is constantly enabled. It is actually a different version of Google Assistant, not the regular one. It contains this also the lighter version of the Google right here, which is this one, the Google Go. And yeah, basically that's it.